To Maharashtra, where there are new COVID hotspots which are emerging in the state, as there's been an exponential rise in the number of people testing positive in Maharashtra's Kalyan, Dombivli and Thane districts over the past 1 week. While 925 new cases were recorded in Kalyan, Dombivli area, 466 new cases were reported in Thane in the last 1 week. Authorities have attributed the rise in cases to social distancing norms being flouted in containment zones and crowding at marketplaces as a result of unlocking of these areas. Let me go across to my colleague Neha Kulkarni, who's joining us from the area. Neha, what exactly do you see? Are rules being followed in containment zones, especially now that these areas are emerging as new hotspots?
Tanima, as you mentioned correctly, yes, there's been an exponential rise in this area, the Kalyan Dombivli area, the neighboring district of Mumbai. If we can tell you that about 900 cases have risen in the past 8 days itself, and in the past 4 days, the increase has been about almost 400 cases. That means 400 more cases have been added in the area in the past 2 days itself. That has been the issue, and we are reporting from Shivaji Chowk in Kalyan. Now, because just rains have started a couple of minutes back, the clarity in showing you of the kind of crowd that was there here would not be that much because people have come to the corners. But yes, when we came here, when Mirana visited this area, almost for the past half an hour or so, there was a lot of crowd in this specific area. Let me also tell you, Tanima, that this particular Shivaji Chowk is surrounded by containment zones right from Ansari Chowk to Bel Bazaar on the either side. So the people from the nearby containment zones on a Sunday especially, we could see them crowding, people moving without masks, and definitely the social distancing norms are not being followed. If I can show you right behind these people who have are taking a shelter now here, they were out here without wearing masks. They were out there in huge numbers, and in fact we could not even see strong police presence, the presence of cops to control or contain the spread or to get the social distancing norms being followed in the area. Now, Tanima, like Mumbai, even here, shops on either side of the road are open, but even because of which we understand that in certain areas in Kalyan, we saw people street vending their vegetables, which also increases the crowd here, especially in this area. So yes, a prime location in Kalyan, the western side, and we are showing you how the crowd still continues, as the officers told us that it is mainly basically after unlocking started, which is when people started moving out and going to their respective offices in Mumbai and the other suburbs, that is also contributed to the rise. But yes, as such, as far as social distancing norms being followed are concerned, that is not seen here to complete effect. And people have taken things here lightly, thinking that the fear of the spread has gone down.
That's right, Neha. As we can see, openly people flouting social distancing norms, and no authorities on the spot to actually tell them not to do so. Thank you so much for bringing us a ground update on this situation.